Mukhang Converge is doing their homework kasi sabi natin sa last video, meron silang Karalipyo and Rakal na mga prototype 3 na pwedeng gamitin, and ayun na nga, pinag-start si King together with the usual starters ng Converge and good things happen. Siya agad yung unang nakapuntos for Converge. He also converged from the outside shot. And mapapansin nyo yung rotation ng Converge na masyado namang naging early ngayon. Mabilis yung palitan ng man combination and maybe to find kung sino yung magiging spark plug instead of relying to their system. Masyado lang din limited yung opportunities ni Juan and nag-iiba yung flow ng Converge. Pero magiging close game naman, so we will not complain in the first half. Pag ganyan yung combination, Converge will just go in the post with Arana. And buti naman hindi na siya foul trouble para makapag-produce na ng ganitong performance on a do-or-die game. So, ganun naman, next possession, lalo na at si Torres yung bantay niya. Another points for Converge. For Ginebra naman, marami silang opportunity sa free throw line. That's why close lang din yung quarter. Pero, to be honest, yung mga foul ng Converge is foul naman talaga eh. It's just magaling bumenta yung Ginebra ng contacts. Tapos, sobrang physical kasi ng Converge eh. Tsaka, yung Converge is nag-cover naman sila kay RJ, double effort, 21-18 and lamang ang 5er Xers. In the second quarter, magiging mali ng Converge yung hindi pagrespeto sa outside ng Ginebra. Maraming tira, yung mga walang close out and uminit sa labas yung Jenkins. And kahit itong tira ni Scottie Thompson pa nga, grabe, pumasok pa yun. Kaso dito, maiinis na yung mga nanonood sa Ginebra. If ma-involve si RJ sa isolation, he will just try to fish for an offensive foul kasi nakakuha siya last game eh. And this time, hindi ko magat yung ref kaya nalibre lang si Winston for the midi. And kita nyo sa screen yung disappointment ni Coach Tim Cone with that flop. Then Archie Concepcion happened for Converge, creating shots for 5er Xers. Then in the next possession, siya yung willing tumakbo and na-reward na naman yun, 2 points plus a foul. Then nung naka-attract si Arana ng defense, and kudos to him para makita si Concepcion na libre sa other side. 3-point shot for Converge, 40-39, lamang ang Converge at the half. In the third quarter, yung story lang naman dito is yung pag-allow ng Converge sa Ginebra to take outside shots. Again, yung problema nila is yung always yung mga close out. Parang tamad sila mag-contest sa mga outside shots. And si RJ Abarrientos end this quarter with a smooth driving finish. Sa endgame, they will go to Justin Arana in the post, and what a move for the 2 points. Tsaka grabe yung puso ni Concepcion. He could have passed the ball sa corner pero mainit siya eh. Bank shot, 2 points, tabla. And we will go to this move by Juan. Nagets agad natin na nanonood sa TV na gagawin niya to eh. Nung hindi tumingin si Troy, biglang change of pace, then reverse it. 2 points, lamang na yung Converge. Pero RJ Abarrientos, nowhere to go, pasabit sa 3-point distance, 3 free throws, and kompleto lahat yon. Then Juan Gomez de Leano answers it with his own creation, drives to the basket, gets a foul, and one. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng laban. Then okay yung pasok ni Rakal para lang mag-convert ng free throws. 3-point lead for Converge. And just honest defense or maglaro ng free throw gaming, foul para 2 free throws lang. Pero Stockton had other ideas. Foul si Jeremiah Gray attempting a 3-point shot. And ayun, semis na overtime pa. Sa overtime, Juan Gomez de Leano wants to end this dito sa kanyang 4-point shot. Pero a lot of giggle fouls for Converge. MJ Garcia, sumundot pa. Si RJ yan, bebentahan ka ng foul. Tsaka dito lalabas yung experience disparity. Si Concepcion, nag-go over pero hindi alam ni Balti kaya magkakaroon ng miscue. Kasi pag ganyan, pag sinabihan mong mag-over si Balti, itatag mo na lang yung screener para walang malibre. Kaso ang nangyari, pareho silang nag-over. Tapos si Concepcion, hindi niya na alam kung sino yung itatag niya. So ayun, libre si Troy Rosario with a big time 3-point shot. So ayun, foul gaming yung Ginebra and Baltasar goes 1 out of 2 from the line. 2-point lead lang. And sa final possession ng laro, Holt has the ball and they are looking for RJ. Nakuha naman ni RJ and Garcia. Help! Oh my God! Nabalik kay Holt. Fakes, takes the shot for the win! Ayun, ginulat lang ni Balti yung close out. So, yun talaga yung problema nila all game long, and sa much needed challenge pa, ginulat lang. Ginebra sa semifinals. Goodbye, Converge.